another video, and as usual things end up dumped on my desk to look at. This is another one of them. This is my financial manager's phone, and the factory screen protector's had a chip in here for quite some time. This is starting to become a bit of a problem, and we are told that the screen protectors are removable on this. It feels very much like it's glued down, and we can't seem to find much on the internet. This is usually how my videos go. I can't find any information on it, so I record it and document my findings. They may be correct, they may be incorrect, I don't know, but they are my findings. First of all, with this though, I think I'm going to put a little drop of acetone on the corner and see what happens. And because we've already got damage here anyway, not much to be lost. And it's glass under there and metal on here. I don't think we're going to dissolve much there. I could try alcohol first, which I might do, and we'll see what that does. Well, we've got some alcohol here. I'm going to put a little dab on that corner there. And I've got a little spudger tool here. We're going to see if we can lift some of that plastic up there. It does seem to move a little bit there. And it is distorting like plastic film. So we might not need to resort to the acetone just yet. What I do need to do is I'm going to start with a pair of tweezers and then move up to pliers. Okay, we'll soak it with a bit more alcohol. I have tweezers here, but I also have in between pliers I used to use when I was doing hearing aid repairs. Just keep wetting this down. My dexterity is a little bit shot today. Alright, I think we got it. So that is the factory screen protector. I think it's done pretty well for a piece of plastic. This is will lasted a couple of years. I'm going to use a tissue here just to wipe alcohol down. You do have to be careful which tissues you use with this. Some of them have a scent and therefore oil in them. So the screen protector kit that we want to replace this with will have a cleaning kit. We just want to give it the best chance we can first with a good soaking of alcohol. Alright, so now we have this kit. So the fingerprint etching. I really don't think we want to do etching stuff. Alright, so let's see what we get here. Probably won't be much different to what I've got yet. So we've got our polishing cloth here. We've got a wet wipe, and we've got dust stickers and guide stickers. Okay, so this is the wet wipe, which will just be an alcohol wipe. It's not actually all that wet, to be honest. Yep. Sometimes they do alcohol and they have some like mobilizers and stuff in there that work a bit. Curved screens, I've got to say, are actually kind of irritating. There's a number of problems with it. My old Sony had a nice big flat surface on the front. I've been trying to get data off that. That made screen protectors really easy. In fact, I could just laser cut them for that. Anyway, let's get our cleaning rag here. We'll dry things out. This is really a Tinkerman Mick job. He used to have his own phone repair shop, and he can do these things perfectly. Now, which one of these is the bottom one? This is for the bottom film. And now we've got little handholds here. That helps a lot. So let's get right about here. Get the notch positioned properly. And we'll run up the middle here. No, we're not quite straight. Now we're going to run up the middle to try and reduce the air bubbles. Then we'll work our way along. Yeah. If we do get air bubbles, hopefully we've got them all in the same spot. Alright. There we go. There is. Now, while we've got this layer, we'll shove that down there. We need to find, I would normally find a business card, but I don't have a business card. Well, I do, but I need a credit card. Credit cards are dangerous things. I don't like to have them around. Alright, we're using an isopol stick here to try and just push the bubbles out and off the edge. Okay, at some point I have lost my scalpel handle, but I still have scalpel blades. This is a brand new one. I'm going to take the less than recommended method of holding it with my hand and running along the back here. Now these things are quite sharp, as you'd imagine, but this gel screen protector is quite robust, I also have to say. So I'm trying to just run along the gap along the bottom here. I think we've cut that. Wow, this is a tough protector. I see why people like these gel protectors. They are quite tough things. Okay, well, we are unlocking phone there. We're going to need to change our blade angle slightly. Oh, that feels a little better that time. There we go. Okay, I hope we haven't covered up the speaker on the bottom. So that looks like a nice clean edge. That might allow us to push bubbles out now. That's good. It is actually sitting. There is a slight ridge on the bottom here from the edge of the phone that sits just proud of the glass, and that of course creates an air pocket when your screen protector is not strictly on squarely, or when it's a bit long. I do find with these Chinese screen protectors they're often not exactly the right size, because there's like different variations of galaxies. So we're just going to work along here and just make sure that round the curved edge we're pushing all the bubbles out. Okay, so we can show you part of the screen here that is working right. The touch feature is working pretty well, though it's dim at the moment. So it is working all right. We're looking pretty good. So that is changing the screen protector, or removing the factory screen protector on a Galaxy Note 10 Plus. We are going to also clean up the back of it while we've got things apart as well, because it's going back into an OtterBox. But we might as well make it look clean and shiny while we're here. Anyway, hope it was interesting. We'll be back with another video.